Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this custom Acura Integra Sedan. As you can see, this casting is by Hotwheels Silver Series, so that means it will have some better details than mainline, but will miss out on details like rubber tires, premium paint, and nicer wheels compared to a premium Hot Wheels diecast. This is from Graphics Remix Fast and Furious. What does that mean? They have changed or basically swapped the color of a movie car from the Fast and Furious. As you can see on the card, it was blue with silver deco on the movie. They switched it. One thing I do really like, as you can see on the card, the wheels. They actually, I can see here, they look very close to what the images are on the card. No, but I don't know if the actual car had the same wheels, but these do look nice. So let's open it up and see what else we have got. So here's the custom Acura Integra out of its box. First thing first, from the side it looks like it's a lower modified car, and I do like the paint in the silver with this flying deco. Don't look bad. Since we're on the driver's side, you can also see there's a fuel filler cap on the side. These wheels we have seen on some Silver Series cars before this one, and I think they look really good. And I think I would have loved if they did this wheels on the Evo 7 they did with the same set. Looked so much better. Now, also you can see they have the amber turn indicator on the side, rear view mirror. It's a 4-door sedan. You can see a wing and also get a hint of the tail lamp and headlamp, which are detailed. Now let's go to the front. In the front you can see you've got painted headlamp, which look really good. The lower grills also have black elements, which again makes it look good. And then there's a small grill in the front. You also get windshield wipers and both the mirrors, which is always good to have. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I could see is the fuel filler cap, which is only on the driver's side. Coming to the rear, again nice details here. You can see you've got painted tail lamp. You've got a HKS sponsor deco sticker there. You've got a one big exhaust at the bottom and a big spoiler in the back. Looks kind of good. The interior is finished in black, and trying to see, there's no roll cage or anything. I can only see a bar in the back and normal seats. Yep. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting, and if I'm not wrong, they did a premium of this one, like the Acura Integra. Might be they did. It looks nice. It's a good looking casting, and I think you won't be disappointed with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.